Are your Galaxy Buds 4 Pro reading notifications out loud or want them to? Let me show you how to turn notification reading on or off in seconds. First, go to your settings, then tap on your Galaxy Buds 4 Pro. Once you're in the Buds settings, tap on Advanced Features. Here you'll find the option called Read Notifications Aloud. You can turn it on or off anytime, depending on what you prefer. Now, if you want more control, tap into it. You'll see Play on Earbuds, where you can choose how your notifications are read. You can set it to read briefly or go into full details, depending on how much info you want to hear. Here's where it gets really useful. You can customize notifications for specific apps. Tap on Customize for individual apps. Then pick something like Messages. From here, you can decide if you want full details, brief alerts, or even turn it off completely for that app. So if there are apps you don't really care about, you can just disable them and keep only the important ones. Also, you'll see an option to allow reading notifications while you're using your phone. If you want that, leave it on. If it feels distracting, you can turn it off. If you want to customize everything at once, scroll up and tap on the Filter option. From here, you can filter based on your preference. For example, you can select Not Read Aloud, and that's how you turn off Read Aloud notifications completely. And that's it. Now your Galaxy Buds 4 Pro will read exactly what you want when you want. Hope this helps. Thanks for your time.